Alright, what's going on, guys? Back again on the beast, on the Passat. We're going to be doing a little headlight restoration kit because my headlights look like this, and obviously they're not the best, so I want to make these like glass. Yeah, they're all a bit murky, so this kit should hopefully do the job. So this kit I got on Amazon, and this is everything that you get in it. You got obviously the polish one you've done, and then the UV protection, obviously to stop it from going misty again. You got all the sandpaper, all the different grits, and the drill attachment for it to go on the drill, and obviously my drill. And that's all you're going to need for this. And I know there's a lot of videos out there showing you what to do, but I just want to show you the before and after of this, and a little time lapse of me doing it. It won't be a long video, hopefully. I always say that, and they're always long, but I'll do a little time lapse of me doing it. Alright, so first things first, we're going to mask up all the areas, because I'm not going to take the headlights out because I don't need to. I can just mask up all around here so I don't damage any of the paint when I'm sanding it. Everywhere's masked up, that I don't want to get obviously touched with the sandpaper. All the way around, all masked up. So now it's just a case of using the drill and going up the grits, starting off with the highest one, and then starting off with the lowest one, then working our way up to the highest. we've got an 800 grit on here on this. Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you. So this is what it should look like. It goes all misty, obviously, because you've scratched it all up. Next we'll go on the finer grit. We've got to wet this one a little bit though, and then obviously repeat the method. We keep going up and up and up until we can polish it. Next one we're using is 1200 grit, and obviously just do the same thing, up and down vertical, but we've got to use a bit of water on this one. So that's the 1200 grit one. That's what it looks like after that. Now I think it's 1500. Can't see there be much difference. Then it's 2000 and then 3000. So I'll just speed run these now. In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire,
but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for
So this is a more polished up. You can still see like little tiny scratches, little swirl marks, but that looks 1,000,000% better. I mean, look at what it used to look like. That. Let's see if I can get them both in. There's that one. There's that one. Look how blurry that one is. So just got to do the same what I did to this one to that one. I mean, look at that, it's so bad. This one's too shiny now. Gonna blind people, hopefully. I ain't gonna bore you with me doing this, so in 3, 2, 1, done. Look how good that looks. See, I did this one with my hands without using the drill, and I think that's actually turned out better than this one. I mean, they both look incredible. I mean, look, you can actually see me. Whoa. I also put the UV protection on these, which is this stuff. UV liquid. I only needed one, because the one did both of them. I just applied it onto that, and then just went it from, well, up and down all the way, and then left to right. And now that should be protected from the sunlight. It shouldn't fade. If it does, it's just a case of repolishing it again and doing it back up. But yeah, so that's me done on this now. It's just a short and sweet one, just to show you what you can actually do with a little bit of sandpaper and some polish. That's all it was, a little bit of time, and it's made the front end of the car look 1,000,000 times better. So if you've enjoyed this video of me sorting these headlights out, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below what you think. Do you think I've made an improvement, or do you think it just looks the same? I think it looks better. And leave me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.